Welcome to Take a Leaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google Trends. Now, Google Trends is a very useful website where you can see the trends of keywords, and it is really helpful when you're a YouTuber or a SEO expert or search engine optimizer, or if you want to research about the trending topics right now. So Google Trend is a very good website for you. Now, in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to use Google Trend. For this, you need to open up your browser. After that, in Google, you need to search for Google Trends. Then you'll find this website, trends.google.com. Just open this. And after the website loads, just go to Trending Now. And from here, you'll see everything that is trending in your country right now. You can change the country location from here to some other country or even to some other state probably. As you can see right here, New York City. I'm just gonna hit United States. And as you can see, all these topics are trending in New York City right now. I mean, United States right now. And you can also change the trending time for past 4 hours, past 24 hours, past 48 hours, or past 7 days. If you want, you can also select the categories. You can either select all categories, which will have everything combined, or you can just select autos and vehicles, beauty and fashion, or business finance, climate, entertainment, food and drinks, games, health, hobbies and leisure, job and education, law, government, or other. You can even select science, politics, pets and animals and everything. And you can also go here in all trends, and turning this trend status on will only show the active trends only. And after that, what you can do is change the relevancy. And from this, you can sort it by title, search volume, recency, or relevance. And that's basically it from here. Then what you can do is just go to home. And in here, you can search for a topic or a keyword name. For example, iPhone. And if I search for this, click on explore. And it's going to search for it. As you can see, this is the trend of search, and which is called the interest over time for iPhone. And if you go down here, you can see state by state, which state searches for iPhone the highest. As you can see, Hawaii is at number 1. And if you go down, you'll see more related topics related to this, but this is not showing here. Let's search for something else. For example, Samsung. And all these are the information about Samsung. As you can see, related topics are Samsung TV, AirPlay, Samsung Galaxy S23, and related queries are this. And everything are data that are really important for you. And you can use all this to optimize your website probably for the search engine, or just know what's trending right now. And this is gonna help you a lot. So Google Trends is like really helpful. And basically that is how to use Google Trends. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.